So guys, welcome back to our channel, the Forex Clue, and in today's video we are going to talk about what exactly is the Forex Clue and how it helps traders choosing their prop firms which are going to help them a lot. And not only that, but here you can get a proper discount code and everything in depth. So without wasting the time, let's get started. And in this video we will see everything like what exactly the Forex. As you guys can see, our iPad screen over here. So once you come to our website, the forexclue.in, you will just having to look at this beautiful interface, find prop firm that actually pay, and inside this you can just select prop firms. Like you can choose prop firms, like you can read prop firm rules, you can compare prop firms, you can search prop firms according to your country like Nigerian, UAE, Indian, Pakistan, UK, South Africa. And once you come into prop firm section, you can see beginner friendly firms, fast payout firms, cheapest prop firm, no consistency rule prop firm. And the best thing is we are working now is like we are providing you a demo account access. Let's suppose if you are eagerly to purchase the 5% account, then without purchasing the account we will give you a demo ID and password where you can trade and where you can see what is the spread and what is the commission and everything, so that you can get a complete idea on like when you purchase the challenge, so what you are going to feel about it. So that will be a demo account which will be live in some days. So we are working on it with prop firms, and you can also compare prop firms. Once you will land in this page, compare page, you have to just select the prop firms. Like let me just show you, like we are just selecting the prop firms, like which prop firm is good. And so once you click over here, right now we are comparing Alpine Funded versus E8 Market versus Marvin. So once you will here, you can see like everything is here written, like we have compared three prop firms at a time. So you can compare three prop firms at a time, and once you get a mood to purchase a challenge account, you can just click on a buy now and you can purchase the account over here. And like the best performance and the best thing like in our comparison is like, and you can also get a AI recommendation. So this is the AI recommendation, like you have compared these three prop firms, and while comparing these three prop firms, our AI detected that this prop firm is best. And why it is best, here you can see like highest drawdown flexibility, faster payout, new trading allowed, refundable challenge when stronger scaling plan. So you can just click on a buy now here from like once you click over here buy now, you can just purchase the account from here. And the best part, like we offer and no one offers in the market, is payout guarantee. If you purchase the any Profirm account using our link with our verified affiliate link with a discount code, then we guarantee you your payout. If Profirm rejects your payout, or if Profirm denies your payout, or if Profirm if Profirm closed, in that case we will make sure that we will refund you your 100% of your fee. Or if you don't want a refund in your case, then the best thing like we can do is we can also purchase your challenge account of the same account size which you purchased with our affiliate link. So this is the compensation model we also work with. You can also see like best prop firms from here. You can also see the winners thing, like latest trading desk announcement. Here we announce our giveaway winners, giveaway, like how we can participate, and every news related to prop firms and all like the. And you can also read our and you can also view like offers on our website. And this offers, all offers are like completely genuine offers. You can use this affiliate code, you can use this codes, and you can just get some massive discounts on your challenge next purchases. Like here you can just see like this type of challenge consistency calculators and all we have. And the best part in our consistency calculators, you can just click here and you can upload your screenshot, and while uploading your screenshot, all the data will be extracted. And once it is extracted, you can use it for just free without entering any manual lot size. And also it's all an automatic base. And the best part is like you can also come to on our website and you can also read rules on our website. The 5%, you can see every rules of the Profirm is written. You just click on a read more, and once you click on a read more, you can see every rules over here of the Profirm. And not only that, you can also rate the Profirms from here, like Profirm review, write your own reviews and all everything. And prop news, you can see like you can read every Profirm news from here, like how is this Profirm doing and everything. And the best part of this on our website is right now you can see this is our futures desk, and we are also working with the firms with closely to just to add a future thing, but this is our latest update. We will be working in it, and you can see like everything. And the best part of our website is exchange your payout. Like if you have your USDT, like if you got your payout using USDT and everything, then you can just exchange your payout with us. You can see like today's rate is 1 USDT equals to 95.18 INR. So you can see everything on our website, the forexclue.in. So this is not just a website, it's a complete trading game changer platform. Like if you are purchasing any Profirm account, make sure to use our link to avail payout guarantee, to avail massive discounts, and to make your trading journey more smoother.